Here we go, 4th graders. Good morning on this Friday, October 2nd. Here is what I have for you today. So, what I have is this. Morning meeting. Respond to at least one person on yesterday's question. No one-word answers or okay, cool. You can ask a question. You can say a response, like if you were thinking that same thing or good idea. Just something that is a little more meaningful. So just a reminder that you can find that question on classwork by clicking classwork, and then you can see it right there. Let's go back to here. Writing. Finish writing your draft from your story map, turn it in here. So that story where you're stretching out what you wrote from your story map. So attach that Google Doc here. Math, continue working on that playlist. Reading, complete this form here. Watch the video first. Make it a great day. The choice is yours. Let me know if I can help you in any way.